Hello everyone, welcome to the another video. Today on this video we are going to see how can we install the WordPress into the Linux machine. We know that WordPress is the popular content management system. It is used for creating the blog website, e-commerce website and so on. WordPress is mainly designed for those who don't want to get involved into the programming language but want to create their own website. Before installing the WordPress, you must install the XAMPP server into your Linux machine. If you haven't installed the XAMPP server into your Linux machine, we have already made the video on how can we install the XAMPP server into the Linux machine. You can check it out that video. I will give the video link into the description. From there also you can check out that video. If you have already installed the XAMPP server into your Linux machine, then you can download the WordPress from the browser. For that, open the browser and search for the WordPress. Visit the first official link. Here you see that the latest version of the WordPress is 6.4.1. Let me download it. Here you see that the download has been started. Let's wait it for to complete. Now the download has been completed. Let me open the downloaded folder. The downloaded file is zip. First you need to extract it. Now you have to copy this folder into the htdocs folder. For that, open the htdocs folder. If you don't have read-write permission into the htdocs folder, then you have to give the read-write permission to htdocs folder. For that, you need to enter into the lamp folder and open the terminal here. Type the command sudo chmod +777 then htdocs. Hit the enter. Enter your password. Now exit it. Now copy the folder into the htdocs. Let me create the new WordPress folder. Okay, let me open the folder. Now let me copy the content of this folder into the WordPress folder. Okay, let me select all and copy. Okay. For installing the WordPress into your local machine, there must be the database and the Apache server run. For that, open the terminal. Type the command cd/opt/lamp and type the ls. You have to execute this file for the GUI interface of the XAMPP server. Let me copy this and type the command sudo // and paste the file and hit the enter. It will ask for you the password. Enter the password and hit the enter. The GUI interface will be open. Now click on manage server. Now you have to start the Apache server and the MySQL database. Let me start both of them. Now you have to create the one database for storing all the files related to WordPress. For that, open your browser. In the URL, type the localhost and hit the enter. Click on phpMyAdmin. It will redirect you to the database. From here, create a new database. For that, click on new and write the database name here. Let me write it with WP and create a new database. Here you see that the database has been created successfully. Now open the new tab and type the command localhost / the folder name that you have created into the htdocs folder. I have created it with the WordPress, so I will type the WordPress. If you have created it with any other name, then you have to type that name here. Let me type the name WordPress and hit the enter. Now you can see that the WordPress dashboard has been started. Click on let's go. It is asking me the database name. I have created the database name with WP. So let me type the WP. If you have created the database name with other, then you can type that name here. The username is root in default and the password is empty. The database host is localhost, so leave everything as default and click on submit. It is saying that the unable to write some files, so copy this and open the WordPress folder. Here you need to create one PSU file. For that, let me open it in the VS Code. You can create this file using any of the text editor. I prefer the VS Code, so I have opened the VS Code. Here you see that the file name has been mentioned. So create the file name. Paste this content and click on save. Just click on run the installation. Now it is asking me the site title. Let me create the random site title. It is asking me the username and the password. Let me create as admin. Let me confirm the weak password and enter the email. Now click on install WordPress. The WordPress has been installed successfully. Let's see by logging it. Enter your username and password. Here you see that the WordPress has been installed successfully, but this is not the complete process. When you try to install the theme or any plugin, then it is going to show some error. Let me show you how can we solve that error. Let me try to install some theme. Okay, new theme. And let me install it. It is showing this error. For that, from the text editor, in the wp-config file, at the last, write the line define bracket start inverted comma fs underscore method comma inverted comma direct. Just paste this line at the end of this file and save that file. Now let me cancel it and reload this site. Okay, let me install this theme. Again it is going to show some error. Here you see that it shows some error. This error is arise because the folder does not have read write permission. So for giving the total read write permission, open the terminal, visit the WordPress folder, type for pwd and hit the enter. Type the command find, copy this and paste, and type this space hyphen exec space chmod space 777 2 curly braces and slash comma. Hit the enter. This will provide the read write permission to each and every folder that is inside the WordPress folder. So let me open the browser and try to reinstall it again. Here you see that the theme has been installed. Let me check. Okay, this is the theme. Let me activate it and let me open the site. The site has been loaded successfully. This is the complete tutorial for installing the WordPress into the Linux machine. If you got any error or problem due to the installation phases, then mention it into the comment section. We will try to reply your comment and try to solve that problem. If you want any other video dedicated on the certain topic, then mention the topic into the comment section. We will try to make the video on that topic. Thank you for watching it.